Hey, I'm Dr. Bryant at Chiro Plus, and many of my patients, they come in here and they're complaining about different complaints, and we try to get them better. The problem is after we adjust them and get them in alignment, they go home and they go back into bad habits, and one of those bad habits is with sleep. And so today we're going to talk about some of the bad habits that people get into while they sleep. So I have Gina here with me, and she's going to help us out here. So there's 3 positions in which we can sleep at night. The one, being the worst way, is on your stomach. So we'll go ahead and demonstrate why sleeping on your stomach is such a bad thing. So Gina will go ahead and take our position here. So when people sleep on their stomach, there's 3 specific things that they do that is wrong. So one is we turn our head to the side. You cannot sleep with your head face down on your pillow. You'll suffocate yourself while you sleep. So you need to always turn your head to the side. But this is not the natural position for your neck, and so all night your neck muscles are tight. It leads to headaches, it leads to stiffness in the neck, it leads to that uncomfortable pain that you have throughout the day. Second, a lot of people lift up 1 or 2 arms when they sleep on their stomach. So now they're putting uneven stress on the shoulder, which leads to a lot of shoulder pain. Thirdly, when you sleep on your stomach, it tends to cause an arch in the back. Usually you sink down in your mattress and it arches the back, which creates a lot of back pain. It leads to low back pain, it leads to a lot of pain, which leads to arthritis, which leads to discomfort. So this is our first video. Come back for our next videos where we'll show you the correct ways in which we should sleep at night.